Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss. My name is Rifa Oktamevia. I'm here. I want to explain about the part of speech and diagrams. Next slide. I want to explain the important point from this slide. There is introduction, types of part of speech, diagramming tools, clause structure, and last conclusion. The introductions, parts of speech in the classification of words based on their function or role in the sentence. Examples include noun, verbs, adjectives, and others. By knowing parts of speech, we can understand how words work together to form correct, meaningful sentence. Sentence graphs are utilized to imagine the relationship between words in a sentence. It makes a difference, clarify the work of word and the generally sentence structure, making it simpler to memorize linguistic, use and analyze sentence eventually. And next slide, types of parts of speech. Noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. Example, cat, city, and happiness. Pronoun substitutes for noun. Example, he, she, they. Verb expresses an action or state of being. Example, run and is. Adjective describes or modifies noun. Example, blue and quick. Adverb modifies a verb, adjective, and other adverbs. Example, quickly and very. Preposition show relationship between a noun or pronoun and other word. Example, in, on, at. Conjunctions connect word, phrases, or clauses. Example, and, but, because. Interjunctions expresses emotion or exclamations. Example, wow, oh. And next slide, I will explain about diagramming tools, divided tree diagram and the dependency diagram. And the first, I will explain the tree diagram. A tree diagram, also called a constituency tree, is visual representation of the hierarchical structure of sentence based on grammar rules or syntax. It shows how group of words called constituents like noun-phrases, noun-phrase, verb-phrase, VP, each other, are organized within a sentence. Example, subjects divided into noun and verb phrase. Noun phrase, the and cat. Verb phrase, sleeps. And next, diagramming sentence. Diagramming tools. And next, diagramming tools dependency diagram. A dependency diagram shows how each word in a sentence depends on other. Typically, the main verb is the root and other words are directly connected to it based on grammatical relationship. Example, sleeps, cat, and the. Sleep is the main verb root, cat is the subject, depend on sleep. The is determiner, depend on cat. And next, clause structure. The clause structure divided to independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause contain a subject and the verb expresses a complete to it. It can alone a sentence. Example, she completed her literature. Dependent clause also has a subject and a verb, but does not express a complete to and cannot stand alone. It often starts with the subordinator like because, although, or when. Example, because she was fired. And the last is conclusion. Parts of speech are types of words such as noun, verb, and adjectives that have different functions in a sentence. Diagramming is a way of drawing sentence structure to show how the words relate to each other. By learning both, we can more easily understand and make correct sentences. And next, part 2 is tree diagram. Okay, I will explain prompting tree diagram. Text 1. The book that was recommended by the professor has been borrowed several students. Subject divided non-phrase and verb phrase. Non-phrase divided determiner, noun, and subject. Subject divided complex, complementizer, and verb phrase. Verb phrase is divided auxiliary verb, verb, and prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase divided prepositional and noun phrase. Noun phrase divided determiner and noun. And from this sentence, the is determiner, book is noun, complementizer is that, auxiliary verb is was, verb is recommended, professional is by, determiner is the, noun is professor is none. And verb phrase divided into verb phrase and professional phrase. Verb phrase divided into auxiliary verb, and verb. And this from sentence, has is auxiliary verb, been is auxiliary verb, and borrowed is verb. And professional phrase divided professional and non-phrase. Non-phrase divided adjective and noun. And from this sentence, by is professional, and several is adjective, student is noun. And okay, repeat. So I will repeat from the explain. The book is determiner. Book. The is determiner, sorry, and book is noun, that is complementizer, was is auxiliary verb, recommended is verb, by is prepositional, determiner is the, and professor is noun, has is auxiliary verb, been is auxiliary verb, and borrowed is verb. By is prepositional, and several is adjective, student is noun. Text 2. Next text 2. Although the match was delayed to run, the player continued their warm-up routine. And subject divided, there is subject and subject. Okay, subject divided complementizer, non-phrase, verb phrase. Non-phrase divided determiner and noun. And verb phrase divided verb phrase, prepositional phrase, and verb phrase, auxiliary verb, and verb. Prepositional phrase, prepositional, and noun phrase. Okay. From this sentence, although is complementizer, the is determiner, match is noun, was is auxiliary verb, delight is verb, due to is prepositional, noun phrase is right. Okay, next, this is subject divided non-phrase and verb phrase. Non-phrase, there is determiner and noun. From this sentence, there is determiner, players is noun. Verb phrase is, there is verb and non-phrase. Non-phrase, there is determiner, adjective, and noun. And from this sentence, continue is verb. There is determiner, warm up is adjective, routine, and noun. And next, the new regulation were announced by the government after the economy saw signs of instability. Subject divided non-phrase and verb phrase. Non-phrase divided determiner adjective noun. This from sentence, the is determiner, new is adjective, regulation is noun, and verb phrase divided verb phrase, prepositional phrase, and subject. Verb phrase divided auxiliary verb and verb. Auxiliary where is auxiliary verb, nouns is verb, and prepositional phrase divided prepositional and verb phrase. Verb phrase divided determiner and noun. From this sentence, by is prepositional, the is determiner, and government is noun. Subject divided complementizer and noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase divided determiner and noun. Complementizer after is complementizer, and there is determiner. Economy is noun. Okay, next verb phrase divided verb and noun phrase. From this sentence, so is verb. Noun phrase divided noun and prepositional phrase. From this sentence, sign is noun, and prepositional phrase divided prepositional and noun. Of is prepositional and stability is noun. And test 4, the man who was arrested last night had been hiding in the abandoned warehouse for weeks. Subject divided noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase divided noun phrase and subject. Noun phrase divided determiner and noun. From this sentence, the is determiner, man is noun. And from noun phrase, there is subject. Subject divided complementizer. From this sentence, who is complementizer? Verb phrase divided noun and adverb, and noun divided auxiliary verb and verb. From this sentence, what was is auxiliary verb, arrested is verb, and adverb phrases adverb phrase as adverb. Last night is adverb. Verb phrase divided to verb phrase and prepositional phrase. Verb phrase divided to verb phrase and prepositional phrase. Okay, and verb phrase divided to auxiliary verb, and verb. From this sentence, had is auxiliary verb, and been auxiliary verb, and hiding is verb. Okay, prepositional phrase divided prepositional and noun phrase. From the sentence, in is prepositional. Noun phrase divided 3, determiner, adjective, and noun. The from the sentence is determiner. Abandoned is adjective. Warehouse is noun. Prepositional phrase divided prepositional and noun. For is prepositional, weeks is noun. And the last text, the big girl saw a lizard with the lovable panda recently. Subject divided noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase divided determiner, adjective, and noun. The from this sentence, the is determiner, big is adjective, girl is noun. Verb phrase divided verb, noun phrase, and adverb. So from this sentence, so is verb. Noun phrase divided to noun and prepositional phrase. Eliezer from this sentence is noun. Prepositional phrase divided prepositional and noun phrase. With from this sentence, prepositional, noun phrase divided determiner, adjective, and noun. From this sentence, that lovable. From the sentence, adjective. Panda. From the sentence is noun. Adverb is recently. Okay. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.